Last month, I made $3,247 using nothing but AI tools in my laptop, no experience, no special skills, just 5 simple side hustles that anyone can start today. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. Welcome to Moneyed Mind, where we share honest systems for building quiet income without the hype. I'm going to walk you through 5 AI side hustles that are actually paying people real money in 2025. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're legitimate ways to earn $50 to $200 per day. It's using artificial intelligence. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have 5 proven methods to start earning with AI. First up, AI-powered content writing. Companies are desperate for quality content, and AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude make this incredibly accessible. Here's the exact system. Sign up on platforms like Upwork or Contently. Use AI to draft articles, then edit and polish them with your human touch. I tested this for 2 weeks and averaged $75 per article, working just 3 hours daily. The key is finding your niche, whether it's tech reviews, health articles, or business content. One writer I know specializes in AI-generated product descriptions and makes $200 daily. It's working just 4 hours. The secret sauce? Always add your personal insights and fact-check everything. Clients pay for the human touch, not just AI output. Second is AI voiceover work, using tools like 11 Labs and Murph. The demand for voiceovers is exploding with the rise of video content. Here's what's working. Create sample voiceovers in different styles: professional, conversational, energetic. Then post them on Fiverr and Voice 123. Use AI to generate custom voiceovers for clients in minutes instead of hours. The beauty is you can offer multiple voice styles without being a voice actor. I found someone making $150 per project doing AI voiceovers for YouTube channels and online courses. The average turnaround is 24 hours, and you can easily handle 3 to 5 projects daily. Pro tip: always offer revisions and custom pronunciations. That's where you add real value. Third, AI-powered social media management. Small businesses need consistent social media presence, but lack time and creativity. Tools like Buffer AI, Hootsuite AI, and ChatGPT can automate content creation and scheduling. Here's the system. Offer packages starting at $300 per month per client to manage their Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Use AI to generate posts, captions, and hashtags based on their brand voice. Then schedule everything in advance. One freelancer I researched manages 8 clients using this method and earns $2,400 monthly working part-time. The key is creating content calendars and maintaining consistent engagement. You're not just posting, you're building their online community. Fourth, AI-assisted online course creation. The e-learning market is worth $400 billion, and AI makes course creation incredibly efficient. Use ChatGPT to outline courses, generate scripts, and create quizzes. Combine this with AI video tools like Synthesia or Pictory for video content. Upload to platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. I tracked a creator who used AI to build a productivity course in 1 weekend. It now generates $800 monthly in passive income. The process: research trending topics. Create comprehensive outlines with AI and record or generate video content, then optimize based on student feedback. The key is choosing topics with high search volume but low competition. Fifth is AI-powered data entry and process automation. This is where the real money is. Businesses have tons of repetitive tasks that AI can handle perfectly. Tools like Zapier AI, Microsoft Power Automate, custom ChatGPT solutions can automate data entry, email responses, and report generation. Offer these services on platforms like Upwork or directly to local businesses. One entrepreneur I studied charges $50 per hour for AI automation setups and has a waiting list of clients. Here's the goldmine. The initial setup takes 2 to 3 hours, but clients pay monthly retainers of $200 to $500 for ongoing automation maintenance. You're literally getting paid while you sleep. Now, here's how to actually start. Don't try all 5 at once. That's a recipe for failure. Pick the one that excites you most and matches your current skills. If you're good with words, start with content writing. If you're tech savvy, go for automation. Spend your first week learning the tools and creating samples. Week 2, start reaching out to potential clients. Week 3, deliver your first projects and ask for testimonials. By month 2, you should be earning your first $500. The key is consistency and continuous improvement. Track what works, double down on successful strategies, and always deliver more value than expected. These 5 AI side hustles represent real opportunities in 2025 and further, not pipe dreams. The key is starting small, picking one that matches your interests, and scaling gradually. Remember, AI is the tool. Your human insight, creativity, and customer service are what create lasting income. The people making serious money aren't just using AI, they're combining it with genuine value creation. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button for more quiet income strategies that actually work. Drop a comment telling me which side hustle you're going to try first. I read every single one. Till next time, keep building that moneyed mind.